As you eat fish, your body begins absorbing one of nature's most powerful nutrients, omega-3 fatty acids. In the stomach, it's gently broken down, releasing high-quality protein, vitamins, and essential minerals. Inside the intestines, these nutrients enter the bloodstream and travel throughout the body. The heart pumps them efficiently, supporting smooth circulation and cardiovascular health. In the brain, omega-3 fuels neurons, enhancing focus and cognitive function. Muscles receive protein for repair and strength, while joints benefit from reduced inflammation. Simple and powerful, fish nourishes the body from the heart to the mind.